In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Incognito Mode. If you'd like to have conversations in ChatGPT without having them appear in your chat history, temporary chat is the feature you're looking for. It's especially useful when you're brainstorming sensitive ideas, researching personal topics, or simply want to keep your sidebar free from temporary conversations. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how temporary chat works and what you can expect when using it. To get started, open your main ChatGPT dashboard and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, direct your attention to the top right area of the interface. Here, you'll find the option labeled Temporary Chat. When you enable this feature, ChatGPT switches into a private conversation mode designed for temporary sessions. As soon as temporary chat is turned on, you'll notice that the interface changes slightly. The chat window indicates that you're in a temporary conversation, and the sidebar where your previous conversations normally appear is no longer active for the current session. This visual change makes it easy to confirm that you're using temporary chat before you begin asking questions. At this point, you can use ChatGPT just as you normally would. Type your questions, brainstorm ideas, ask for explanations, or work through topics that you'd prefer not to keep in your regular chat history. The AI responds in the same way as it does during a standard conversation, so you don't lose any of the functionality you're used to. When you've finished your conversation, return to the same menu where you enabled temporary chat and turn the feature off. Once you exit temporary chat, the conversation disappears from your chat history, allowing you to move back to your regular conversations without adding another item to your sidebar. It's helpful to understand why ChatGPT normally saves conversations. Keeping chat history allows previous conversations to remain available in your account, making it easier to revisit earlier discussions and continue where you left off. However, if you don't want a particular conversation to appear in your history, temporary chat provides a convenient way to avoid that. It's also worth remembering that temporary chat affects how the conversation is handled within the ChatGPT interface. While it prevents the conversation from appearing in your chat history and isn't used to improve models, it doesn't make your internet activity completely invisible outside of ChatGPT. And that's it. You now know how to use ChatGPT temporary chat to keep specific conversations out of your chat history while still enjoying the full ChatGPT experience whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,